It's been 1 year since Polk County Attorney Kimberly Graham took over office for John Sarcone. Local 5's Connor O'Neill spoke with Graham about how she's using her previous judicial work to shape her time as the county's lead prosecutor.
I know you spent a few years working in child in need of assistance cases, helping children who may be in unsafe situations find safer ones. How has that shaped your work as Polk County Attorney in year one?
There's been a shift in policy here from my predecessor where when there is a child who potentially is going to be waived or moved up to adult court because of the seriousness of the offense, I personally review all of those now, and that wasn't the policy before. And also to be sure that we have tried everything that we feel like we could have tried to get that young person help and get them on a different path before we go to that.
You created a list too of nonviolent offenses that qualify for bail reduction. Why did you want to do that?
If it's an isolated low-level nonviolent offense, we certainly don't want people sitting in the jail both using Polk County resources because it costs money to keep people in the jail, potentially losing housing, potentially losing their job, if they're not able to get back to work quickly.
You've completed your first year of your term, but you still got 3 years left. What are you hoping to still achieve throughout your term?
One of my goals that I didn't mention earlier is to ultimately have at least one full-time social worker here in this office. A great social worker is what it takes to stay in touch with that person and really kind of hold their hand and make sure that they get what they need and follow up with them continuously so that they can stay on a good path.
Attorney Graham also told me next month the restorative justice program will be underway, allowing lower-level nonviolent offenders the chance to earn a dismissal after participating in a victim-offender dialogue, working to avoid reoffense.